Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel for nurses preparation. I am Neeraj Kumar Kaithal. Today we are presenting important topic from pediatrics, that is tracheoesophageal fistula. Let's begin. Tracheoesophageal fistula is an abnormal connection between esophagus and trachea. Abnormal connection between two structures normally called fistula. It is a congenital abnormality. Risk factors of tracheoesophageal fistula: low birth weight babies, premature infants, polyhydramnios. Polyhydramnios is a condition in which amniotic fluid amount more than 2000 ml. Etiology: congenital tracheoesophageal fistula can arise due to failed fusion of the tracheoesophageal ridges after the 4th week of embryological development. With the help of this diagram, let's try to understand the tracheoesophageal fistula. In this diagram, yellow color is used, that is denoting the trachea, and the light green color is used to denote esophagus. Total 5 types of tracheoesophageal fistula conditions are present. Let's discuss one by one. Let's first discuss type A tracheoesophageal fistula. It normally occurs 5 to 8% cases in which esophagus and trachea are not connected with any fistulous connection. Type B tracheoesophageal fistula is a rare condition in which upper part of the esophagus is attached with the trachea and the lower part is open. Third is type C tracheoesophageal fistula. It is the most common type, approximately 80%, in which upper part is blind but lower part of esophagus is connected with the trachea. Fourth is type D tracheoesophageal fistula, in which upper and lower end of the esophagus connected with the trachea. In the last, fifth type, type E, it is also known as H-type tracheoesophageal fistula. In this type, no esophagus atrasia is present, but esophagus and trachea are connected like H-shape. Clinical manifestation: coughing, choking, cyanosis, fruity saliva in mouth and nose, drooling, regurgitation and vomiting. How we can diagnose this condition? By X-ray, air bubbles seen in stomach. Ryle's nasogastric tube fails to pass in stomach. Treatment of tracheoesophageal fistula: it is surgically corrected with resection of any fistula and anastomosis of any discontinuous segment. Thank you so much friends for watching this complete video. This is a quick revision about tracheoesophageal fistula. If you find this video is helpful, then please click upon the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel for nurses preparation for more such interesting educative videos. All the best.